Hello class, I want to record this short video about week 5. So I'm sharing my screen and I just want to explain a few things in quiz 5. So quiz 5, there are a few questions. I mean, most of the questions they have watched it video. And there are a few questions, especially in the end when we're talking about compound interest, when you're talking about future value, present value. You have to be careful how to plug everything in the calculator. So the calculator I'm using is SymbolLab. It's an online calculator. I'm going to show you how to use that. It's really easy to enter everything you need and you get your answer. So when you put it in the calculator, you have to be careful. You have to round 2 decimal places. Okay, so let's just do one example here. For example, number 16. So when you go to watch it, it's going to give you a video of the same question pretty much, just different numbers. So I'm just going to skip all this and explain the most important part here. Hold on, right here, I'm going to pause. Oops.
We would have taken one.
I'm going to pause.
There.
And I want to explain something here. So this is the same question like number 16, just the numbers are different. So I need to find the present value. I'm sorry, the future value. They give you the deposits is 1,000 in the video. In the example is 2,400. So pretty much a compound quarterly. Everything is the same, just the numbers are different. So what I want to explain here, very important in this video. You see the formula, it's future value is equal to the payment. And then after the payment, you have the fraction of 1 plus I with exponent n minus 1. And in the denominator, we have I. So when you enter your numbers, this is how the numbers looks like. All these have to go to the calculator, but you have to be careful. This 1,000 in front, this is the 1,000 you have in front. I'm going to point this 1,000 have to be in front of the fraction. Because if you put it in the top of the fraction, the way it's written here, you're not going to get the answer. And I'm going to show you that exactly how it is in WebAssign, and I'm sorry, in SymbolLab. So I'm going to enter exactly the numbers the way they are in this fraction here. And you're going to see the answer is not going to be the same. So that's how many people are not getting actually the answers. And I just want to explain that. Okay. So I'm going to enter everything the way it is, and we're not going to get that answer. So let me show you. So I'm going back to the SymbolLab. This is the calculator, and I'm going to enter exactly the way it is. I have it screenshot in my phone. So I'm sorry, you put fraction first. So I'm going to put it the wrong way, the way they have it in the video. So 1,000 in front, and then you have parentheses 1 plus 0.07 divided by 4. See, when you press divide, SymbolLab is going to make it as a fraction. And then here you're going to put x with the box to put the exponent 80. Also, another important thing is after you put 8, you have to go down of the exponent and put minus 1. It's in the bottom. It's not in the exponent. And then in the denominator of the fraction, you have 0.07 divided by 4. So when you do it in SymbolLab, it's going to look exactly how we had it here. So let me show you again. So you can compare. This is the video. So you have it 1,001 plus 0.07 over 4, exponent 80, minus 1 is down, be careful with that, and over this. So now looking at this, when I enter it exactly the way they give me, when you press go or enter, it's going to give you that solution here step by step. And what you need to do is you have to click at this +1, because when you click at that, it's going to give you the actual answer. And this is the answer I get, 228,000 and something. That's not the answer we actually have to get. The answer was 171,000. Let me show you one more time. 171 was the answer. See, 171,000. So the answer we get is wrong because of this 1,000. The 1,000 is not in the top of the fraction. 1000 should be in front of the fraction. So I'm deleting it and I'm putting it in front 1000. And then I do multiply, which is here next to the division. Let me show you. Oh, sorry. I accidentally stopped sharing. Okay, so I'm gonna explain, I'm gonna just notate here. So if you wanna do multiplication, you're gonna press on this. If you wanna do fraction, you're gonna press on this. If you wanna do exponent, you're gonna press on this, okay? So those are the things I'm pressing. And then when I go back here in my solution, I have to click at +1 to have the answer. Now, if I do it like this, 1000, I put it in front, I didn't press times, and I need to press go, the answer we're gonna get now is gonna be exactly 171,000, see? So be careful if you wanna get the right answer, one more time, if you wanna get the right answer in your quiz 5, make sure you put your numbers exactly how they're in the formula. So 1000 goes in front, the payment goes in front, and then you do multiply times, and then you put the fraction. Also, another important thing is -1 have to be down, not in the exponent. 1000 in front, you have to put times, and then it have to be exactly like that. And that's how you're gonna get your answer. So your answer should be correct now if you follow these instructions, okay? Because if you look at your formula, I'm gonna show you the formula one more time in the video. So the formula is right in the video, just the way they put it in the, so the formula is this. And that's how it's in the book. So the payment is in front, it's not in the top of the fraction. So the way they put this here, this 1000 is wrong, should be in front of the fraction. So if you want to get your answers, always do that. The payment goes in front, and then here, make sure you look at the third digit to round, okay? So if you follow these instructions, you're gonna get all the answers correct. And if you have any questions, please reach out, okay? And that's for now. Have a good day.